Toad for DB2 on zOS has many advanced DBA features. In order to use all those features, you'll have to install our DB2 zOS components on your subsystem on the mainframe. And those components will allow you to do things like bind and rebind packages from the Toad GUI, invoke utilities and commands, uh, access accurate buffer pool information, display volume information while you're defining storage objects, and accessing information about the current threads that are running on your subsystem. And it's very easy to install those zOS components. You would just go to the Subsystem tab and right-click on the subsystem and select Install Toad Components. And the wizard comes up and it's going to walk you through specifying things that we'll need to get the zOS components up and running, such as, we'll need a couple names of WLMs and procedures that will be running. You might need to talk to your system programmer on the mainframe side and get his assistance in what to specify here. You'll need to specify some storage group and buffer pool information, as well as temporary and permanent dataset high-level qualifiers, and a job card. If you want to, we'll do some file tailoring of the information that you provide us, as well as we'll FTP it optionally to the mainframe. And so we ask you for a place in which we can store it locally. And we're basically walk you through the wizard. You do not have to FTP using this wizard. You could do it independently, and we'll give you steps how to do that if needed. But if you click next here, and finally finish, what's going to happen is we're going to generate a detailed README based on the parameters that you've specified in the previous screens, and we will walk you through, this README will walk you through the next steps that you need to execute on the mainframe. And you'll see that we also specified or generated a couple scripts here, installation scripts to define some of our database objects and to actually grant access to those database objects on your subsystem. So you can run those DDL and grant scripts from Toad itself and then follow the generated README to get the rest of the zOS configuration completed. So that is installing the zOS components, which is necessary for all advanced to run all the advanced database administrative features for DB2 on zOS.